Namaste. Hello all. Welcome to 21 Hours YouTubeathon presented from Gurukul University. Myself Sonali Singhvi. I am a trained yoga teacher certified from Yog Vidya Niketan of Mumbai University. I have done my Ashtanga Primary Series course from Gurukul University. Today I am going to talk about Ashtanga Surya Namaskar in detail. In Ashtanga Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga means a posture with the 8 parts of the body that comes in contact with the ground. That includes feet, knee, hands, chest or chin or forehead. It is an important warm-up exercise to be performed before any start practice of yoga asanas. Daily routine of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar, when done in a correct and right manner, results in physical and mental well-being. There are two types of Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A and Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. So now let us understand what is Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A. In Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A, there are 9 vinyasa movements. So vinyasa means a synchronized way of movement with the control of breath, gazing points and joint movements. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B has 17 vinyasa movement which includes Utkatasana, Veerbhadrasana, etc. So Utkatasana, it is a pose, powerful pose I can say, a very standing powerful pose in Yogasana where it increases our focus, our balance, our strength. So in this pose, we bend our knee and our hands are in the upward side alongside of the ears. And we sit like we are sitting on the standing imaginary chair we are sitting. So this Utkat Asana, it strengthens the thigh flexibility, it strengthens the improvement of thigh, ankles, even it helps in the toning of shoulders, butts, hips and back. It also tones up our digestive system. Second is Veerbhadrasana. So Veerbhadrasana, it is called as a warrior pose in which our right leg is in a right angle and our left leg is straight. Basically our right leg is in a lunges position and our hands are raised up. So the gazing is towards the thumb. In this pose, it increases this warrior pose. A Veerbhadrasana is a very good toning pose. It encourages the good circulation, respiration. It opens up our hips, chest and lungs. It also energizes our entire body. It strengthens our shoulders, arms, legs, ankles and back. So when this basically in Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B, the attention is given to the strength of breath and it also builds up the inner heat so that we can move towards a Yog Chikitsa. This Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A and B are repeated 5 times so that our body produces a inner heat and it acts on the joint and muscles. It gets us ready to continue the asanas, which follows the Ashtanga primary series sequence, includes standing, sitting and finishing. There are a number of asanas where you have to go one after the another. So friends, now let us see the demo of Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A and Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B with the counts and every posture what it is called with the inhalation and exhalation counts. So let's begin. Let's start. Samastiti, Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, अष्ट, नव, समस्थिति. Again, inhale, gazing on your thumb. Exhale, Haspadasana. Looking towards your nose, gazing is towards the nose. Look up, bend in your knee, jump or take your legs back in Chaturanga, a low plank position. Here our hands are below the shoulders. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Our thighs are slightly up the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Hold here for 5 counts. Gazing is towards the navel. Take your legs together. Bend in your knee. Jump or come forward. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Look towards your nose. Hands up from side. Stretch it. Gazing towards the thumb. Samastiti. Now let's see Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, Samastiti. Again, Utkatasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Haspadasana. Inhale, look up. Bend in your knee, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Virabhadrasana. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Virabhadrasana. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold for 5 counts. Gazing it towards the navel. Both legs together. Bend your knee. Jump forward. Look up. Exhale. Haspadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana, Samsthiti. So friends, now we saw the demo of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A and Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. And definitely you would have seen this, that Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B has more intensively stretch compared to Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A. Our spine gets immensely stretched and it is more recommended for the intermediate and advanced practitioners. No doubt, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar has its own benefit apart from starting with a warm up for our yoga sessions. So let us see more benefits. It helps in the blood circulation of all the important organs of the body. It strengthens the muscles of arms and waist and makes it more flexible. It improves digestion. It also reduces the abdominal fat and reduces the weight. It also improves the better functioning of heart and lungs. It increases the concentration power, improves balance, focus, even our legs, ankle, back, everything gets better strengthened. It improves flexibility, strengthening. It increases strengthening. It improves our circulation, blood circulation and respiration. So friends, for a strong and a healthy body is like an ornament. And with the help of yoga asanas, we can lead a healthy and better life. So friends, I would like to recommend you to start doing yoga, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar in your daily routine life and get the benefit. Thank you so much.